So ayun, isang magandang kalaban sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Ryan Magtibay mula sa Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management na kasalukuyan nag-aaral sa Dalubasaan ng Lungsod Kilapan. Ano nga ba ang isang quality ng pagiging isang mabuting leader para sa akin po bilang isang student leader na may hangad na magandang kinabukasan sa institusyon ng Dalubasaan? Marahil na dapat po tayo mayroong isang effective communication dahil sa ganung paraan magkakaroon tayo ng magandang communication sa bawat isa dahil ito ang nagiging isang pangunahing problema sa isang samahan o sa isang organization. Kasi sa pamamagitan nito ay may papamahayag natin ang tunay na kahalagahan ng isang pagiging mabuting leader at kung ano nga ba ang magandang epekto nito sa ating komunidad or sa ating institusyon. Muli, ako nga po pala si Lord mula sa Bachelor of Science in Tourism, nagpapaalala, laging ingat.
Magandang buhay po sa ating lahat. I am General Paglinawan Habad, 23 years old, taking a Bachelor of Science in Information Systems at the City College of Calapan. And I believe that effective leadership hinge on several key qualities. Firstly, strong communication skills are paramount. Being able to convey ideas clearly and listen effectively fosters understanding and collaboration within a team or organization. Secondly, leaders must inspire and motivate their teams, creating a positive and driven work environment that encourages growth and success. Lastly, a commitment to continuous learning and self-improvement is essential. By staying open to new ideas, seeking feedback, and also embracing growth opportunities, leaders can evolve alongside their teams and industries. Once again, a leader has a heart, passion, and dedication to serve with humility, clarity, and courage. Once again, I am General Habad po from the Information System. Thank you po.
Hello everyone, I am very happy to introduce myself. I am Jamil De La Torre, and today I'm very happy and very grateful to be invited today for this video presentation. Without further ado, let me share with you the qualities that I believe make a great leader. I believe that great leaders possess the ability to inspire, the ability to delegate, the communication skills, the confidence, the commitment, the good attitude, the creativity, intuition, and honesty, and even the sense of humor makes a good leader. And besides from these qualities, I think this is also important, that successful leaders invest on continuous learning and development, not just for themselves, but also for their teams. I mean, leaders must prioritize ongoing education and training for themselves and for their members. By doing this, they can create a more motivated members, better equipped to achieve their goals. Thank you everyone, and have a great day.
Isang magandang kalapan. I am Lian Gwyneth Tietalares and I am a third year BS NED student, and also I am the Student Parliament President-elect of the City College of Calapan. So the question is, what are the qualities of a great leader? You know, I always believe that there is no such thing as a perfect leader, but I do believe that there is always a great one. And what are the qualities na makikita natin sa isang great leader? In the eyes of a youth like me, a great leader is someone who creates a path with compassion, understanding, and someone who empowers other people as they lead. A great leader not only listens, but they hears. They not only speaks, but they also inspire. A great leader is someone who is relatable, but they are aspirational. And they lead by example, showing that in the face of a challenge, courage, kindness, and resilience always prevail. And that's what makes a great leader for a youth like me.